Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by duplicating the clip so you never lose the original. Once done, solo the track with noise and hide others to focus. Make sure your project uses 48000 HC and consistent bit depth. This avoids artifacts when processing. You'll also enable audio lanes and rename the track for clarity. These first steps reduce mistakes and let you hear changes clearly, so you can confidently apply noise reduction and EQ without affecting other tracks. You now apply the noise reduction effect. Start with a gentle reduction and audition while increasing until background hiss drops without vocal warble. Next, add a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 HC to remove rumble. This preserves body while eliminating low noise. Then use a parametric EQ. Reduce 200 to 500 HC to fix muddiness, and gently boost 2 to 4 kHC for clarity. Make sure to bypass effects, occasionally to compare before and after so you don't overprocess. You finish by applying light compression. Try a 2:1 to 4:1 ratio and set the threshold so gain reduction is subtle. This evens level without pumping. Then normalize or match loudness to around -16 LUFS for dialogue projects to ensure consistency. If you notice artifacts like warbling or metallic tone, reduce noise reduction amount first and reevaluate. If needed, use spectral repair tools or restore from the duplicate original. One key tip: undo in small steps and compare frequently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.